Good morning, everybody. Tim here. Everything sharp. Got a couple knives to take a look at. First impressions, unboxings, per se. Hope everyone's having a good start to their weekend. Beautiful weather where I'm at here, so I'm going to try to get out and enjoy it. Figured I'd get this video out of the way early this morning. So, yeah, hope everybody's having a good day so far. Hope everybody's going to have a blessed weekend. Let's get into it. Alright, the first knife we got. White Mountains knife, Towser K, CPM 3 blade, chocolate glacier button lock. Designer is Azo. So I'm pretty sure this is a Towser K kind of exclusive. So Kizers always come with this envelope here. Little bag of extra hardware. Most of the time it's already got thread locker on it. First time experiencing the Towser K, guys. So it is chocolate handle. I guess they're FRN. They have some milling on it. It's really nice. They are flat. All the edges are knocked down on it. We have a geared back spacer. Well, that's pretty cool. It's got a lanyard plug in it. You can take that plug out and run your lanyard cord through it. That's pretty cool. That's the first time I've seen that. It's a filler for the lanyard hole. So we got a pocket clip, which is not inset, but it does have flat screws on it. Open construction. We do have black, probably stainless steel liners. Let's see how it rides in the pocket. Devo. Use our Devo knife hanky. So very deep. Not going to see anything of that knife when it's down in your pocket. So that is a really deep carry. So we got two means of deployment on this knife. We got a button. We can swing it. Very pretty satin blade. The flats are like hand rubbed or machined to get that milling look in it. Very good looking knife. Reverse flick. It's money. You come right down Main Street. Right, blade is centered. The reverse flick's money. Ergos feel really good. No hot spots. I wish the scales were rounded off instead of flat. It'd be more comfortable in the hand. But sheep's foot blade. So all those little utility cuts, opening packages, draw cuts. This knife's going to be a winner. It does have a little bit of belly to it. The sharpening choil and plunge grind is good there. The choke up is excellent. Do have jimping on the back of the spine. It does give you a little bit of traction. Just a standard wire pocket clip. Alright guys, here goes the main test. Will it pass it? Good job, Kizer. No button fell on this one. That's all it needs. Yeah, really like it. Let's do some size comparisons. I like the machine work on the FRN, the chocolate FRN. And that's a pretty cool feature. That's the first time I ever seen that. I don't know how they're getting that to stay in there. Let's see if it'll fall out. No? Well, yeah, maybe. No, it moves, but it don't come out. Really good in hand. Let's do some size comparisons. Benchmade bug out, bigger than the bug out. About the same size as the paramilitary. This 3V blade I ain't never heard of. Well, let's just rephrase that. I've heard of 3V, but I've never owned any 3V. I got 15V, 10V. So what kind of edges on this beast? Oh yeah. Super sharp. All the way down to the tip, guys. Yeah, it's always sharp all the way down to the tip. Excellent. Good blade edge. Good job, Kaiser. Good button lock. No fail on the spine whack test. Good sharp edge. Really good looking knife aesthetically. Feels really good in hand. Make an excellent EDC knife. It's got a kind of a ting to it when it closes. I don't know if it picks it up on the camera or not. Can't weigh that much either, so it's going to be 4 ounces. 4.3. So Kaiser Towser FRN 3V button lock. Alright, we'll leave that out in case you guys want to take a look at it more. Alright, the next knife we got in the box is a little case. We got Ford black synthetic, and this is a canoe design. Case always comes wrapped up in tissue, brown tissue paper, and then you always get the product information. And this is a Collector's Club edition knife. I guess because it's built Ford Tough. So we have a little canoe. It's got built Ford Tough on the scales. The scales are synthetic. It is pin construction. We have diamond plate looking bolsters on it, which is pretty cool. Looks like diamond plate on like a toolbox or something. This is a two-bladed knife. It's kind of like a spade blade right there. And then you have the little spade. I had one of these as a kid, man, and I loved that thing. It probably wasn't a case. It was probably a knockoff or something. My dad's the one that got me into knives. He used to wear German, Solingen German, and that's the only kind of steel he liked. I believe it was, what was it? Can't remember. Hen and Rooster, maybe. Kissing Crane, Bulldog brand. It's a bunch of slip joints. So he's the one that got me into it. And I had one of these knives as a kid, along with a Sodbuster Jr. You couldn't tell me nothing. I thought I was Indiana Jones or somebody. So yeah, pretty cool little slip joint. Blade is off to the center of the knife just a tad, but it's not hitting. Got a good closing pop. No half stop. No half stop. So Case Canoe, built Ford Tough. Reason why I got the built Ford Tough is I have a Mustang GT, and I figured that'd be cool in a knife collection. So just to recap, guys, we went over the Towser K, Towser SK, whatever it is there. Really nice knife. Good. They did a good job on the edge on this 3V, and a good job on that button geometry because it did not fail when we spine whacked it there on the table. And then we went over this case knife, which case is just a case is pretty much It's a 4-star case. No, is it 7-dot? It's a 7-dot case, I guess. Then USA 22-131 and SS blades. Pretty cool little knife. You guys have a great weekend, and till the next one. Oh, if you hadn't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Help me out. And have a great weekend. God bless y'all. Love y'all. Stay sharp.